Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Got a mail call here for the property work, but it's something something you should have in your supply for emergencies as well. So I'm going to open this up here and we will get at it. Hey, I don't need my knife. It actually worked. Okay. So what I got was some PVC pipe wrap. It's not to wrap PVC pipe with. This is made out of PVC. This is to wrap anything that can corrode in the ground. And so I'm going to be extending my water line across the back out here by the new garden area. And I've got two water hydrants I can put in out here. I can put one in right next to the shop, and I can put the other end down farther. And where I connect the PEX pipe together, you have a brass fitting that goes in between, and then copper crimps that go around it. Well, I want to wrap this around the whole thing so it covers up the crimps and the gap in the middle that has the brass in it and the crimp on the other side, so it doesn't react with the high, and I mean high, alkali pH soil here. I mean, it's upwards of 9, and that's what the thing's topped out at, and it was darker than the green, the dark green for 9, so it's about 9.5 or 10. So this is what I got this for it. This will be used for anything I gotta put underground that's metal to help keep it from corroding. And so if I remember, I will put the link to this down in the description. If I forget, the first person that realizes I didn't put the link down in there, put a comment in there so I'll go back in and put it in. So, but yeah, so this is the mail call I got for general maintenance around the property here, just being prepared to prevent pipes and stuff from corroding. All right, so stay happy, stay safe, add to your preps, water, food, medicine, clothing, and I will catch you around. Oh, by the way, for those that are attending the Tactical Tuesday live streams, I'm going to start giving away Amazon gift cards again on that, so for channel members. And I may give one away just to anybody that happens to be in the chat, but the channel members get will be getting a couple of $5 Amazon gift cards. All right?